Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about if-else-if ladder. So this is one of the decision making statement in C language. So by using this if-else-if ladder, the user can make a decision among multiple options. Okay. So if you observe the syntax, see here, if here some condition we will place. Okay. If this condition is true, this if block statement will be executed. Suppose if this condition is false, it will come to the first else if block. Okay, and it will check for this condition. If this condition is true, these statements, this block of statements will be executed. Suppose if this condition also gets false, again it will check for the next else if condition. Okay, suppose if this condition is true, this block of statements will be executed. Okay, if all, that means if none of this condition is true, that means if all the conditions gets false, then by defaultly this else statement will be executed. So like this if else if ladder works. Okay, so here I will explain with an example program. So see here I am going to calculate the grade depending upon the marks. Okay, so here initially I have to declare, that means I have initialized the marks variable with a value of 65. Okay, so first it will check for the first if, that means if condition. That means here see marks, that marks variable is initialized with 65. So 65 is greater than or equal to 90. So the condition is false, right? So then the cursor will come to the else if block. So 65, marks is 65. 65 is greater than or equal to 70. Again this condition also gets false. So here it will come to the next else if block. So 65 is greater than or equal to 64. Condition is true, and 65 is less than or equal to 74. If you are using here AND operation, means both condition has to be true. Okay, here I am using logical AND operation, so both conditions has to be true. Then only the block of statement will be executed, right? So 65 is greater than or equal to 64. Condition is true, and 65 is less than or equal to 74. Okay, so both conditions are true. So it has to execute this printf statement, that is grade is B. Okay, now let me execute the code. See here. So see here, output is grade is B. Suppose for example here I am taking some 85. Okay, now my marks variable is initialized with a value of 85. So see here, if 85 is greater than or equal to 90, condition is false. So it will come to the else if. 85 is greater than or equal to 70, condition is true, and 85 is less than or equal to 90, both conditions are true. So it has to execute this printf statement that grade is A. So see here, let me execute the code. The output should be grade is A. See, my output is grade is A. Okay, suppose for example if marks variable is some 95. Okay, now marks variable is initialized with a value of 95. So marks, that is 95 is greater than or equal to 90, condition is true, and 95 is less than or equal to 100. So both conditions are true. So what happens, this if block should be executed, that is grade is A++ should be my output. See here, I am executing the code. So the output should be grade is A++. Okay, suppose here if my marks variable is initialized with some 35. Okay, now marks variable is holding a value of 35. So marks is 35 is greater than or equal to 90, condition is false. Again it will come to the else if. 35 is greater than or equal to 70. Again this if else if condition is false. Again it will check for the next else if. 35 is greater than or equal to 64. Again this condition is false. Now it will come to the next else if. Next else if ladder, that is 35 is greater than or equal to 40. Here this condition is also false. So what happens, if all these else if conditions, that means if all the conditions are false, that means what happens, it has to execute the else statement defaultly, right? So see here, I am running the code, invalid marks is my output. See, so like this if else if ladder works. Okay, it will check for all the conditions. If none of the condition is true, then defaultly the final else block will be executed. Okay, so what is the main advantage of using this else if ladder? Here the user, he can make a decision from a multiple options. Here we can place multiple options and the user can make a decisions from these multiple statements. Okay, so if none of the statement is true, then by defaultly the final else statement will be executed. Okay, suppose if all these conditions gets false, then defaultly what happens, this else statement will be executed. Here I have already shown with an example program, as I have taken the marks variable as a 35. Okay, so here as marks is initialized with 35, all these statements gets false, right? So what happens, in this condition, the final else statement, that is invalid marks, this statement has been executed. So like this if else if ladder works. Okay, so that's about if else if ladder. Thank you.